Welcome to this video series in which I'm going to be sharing with you several tips on how to drive traffic to your YouTube channel and to also get more clicks and more views on your videos. A lot of traffic courses focus on how to drive traffic to their websites, but you know what? To many people and businesses, their main site is their YouTube channel. And a lot of people don't know this, but what separates YouTube from other social media sites is that YouTube is actually the second largest search engine in the world. So having a YouTube channel is a great strategy to get traffic to your business. Some YouTubers have several thousand, if not hundreds of thousands of people viewing their videos every day. And once you have thousands of people coming to your channel, there are so many ways to monetize all this free and organic traffic. So make sure you check out the following videos in which I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. When it comes to driving traffic to your YouTube videos and your YouTube channel, my preferred traffic method is SEO, or search engine optimization. And that's because SEO is free, organic, and who wouldn't love getting thousands of views on your videos every day while you sleep without paying for traffic and without posting on social media? So in this video, I'm going to share a few tips on SEO. Okay, so first thing is YouTube favors longer videos because they want people to stay on YouTube longer. It makes sense, right? YouTube also values the watch time, which is the amount of time people take to watch your videos, and they prefer this over keywords and other SEO techniques. If you have a higher watch time, the higher you'll show up in the search results. So try to focus on increasing your watch time during the first week that your video is published. YouTube also favors videos that are first watched by people when they first land on YouTube. So for example, you go on YouTube and the first video that you see there, or the first video that you click on, is my video on how to lose weight in 24 hours. Okay, and if enough people, or the majority of people, are clicking on my video first before anybody else's videos, this video is going to rank high on YouTube, because YouTube puts a lot of value in these videos that are getting people's attention and getting them to enter into their sites or into their system. Because basically, once people finish watching a video, as you may already know, there's going to be suggested videos that are going to be recommended to them. So they're going to end up watching more videos. So basically, they look at your video as an entry point to watching more videos, if that makes sense. There's also a misconception out there that YouTube ranks videos based on who has the highest amount of subscribers, and that's not true. Another thing is, you'll get more views simply by making more videos, and the greater the content, the better, because with great content comes more watch time, more likes, and all the things that will be seen as favorable by YouTube's algorithm. Now make sure to use the keywords in YouTube's search predictions when you're creating your titles, or even if you're thinking of what video to make, you could look at YouTube's search predictions or suggestions to get ideas of which videos to make based on popular topics. So let me just give you an example here. So I'm here on youtube.com, and you just go to the search box, and let's just say I'm going to type in how to lose weight. Okay, well, as soon as I type in how to lose, you'll see that YouTube is already predicting or making suggestions here, and these are all popular search terms. Okay, so you could use these as keywords or make videos on these topics. So let's just say I even get more specific: how to lose weight. Okay, how to lose weight in 4 easy steps, how to lose weight in a week, how to lose weight overnight, and so on. Lastly, I want to recommend a tool called TubeBuddy MILLIONAIRE.com. And basically, it's a Chrome extension that you install that helps create keywords for you, and it helps optimize your SEO and also helps you grow your channel in general. This is a popular tool that's recommended by other YouTubers, and I've recently started using this myself. It also provides great statistics, and it does a whole bunch of other things. So I highly recommend you go to their site first at TubeBuddy.com and make sure you check out all the things that it can do for your YouTube channel. There are many types of social media platforms that you can use to promote your YouTube channel. But in this video, I'm just going to talk about two of them. I'm going to talk about Facebook and Instagram. Now, when you're posting on Facebook, just keep in mind that Facebook doesn't like people putting links on there that will take people away from Facebook. So don't just put a YouTube link on there, because otherwise Facebook will not let your post be seen. So just put the videos directly on there, and make sure to tell viewers to subscribe or take some form of action that is beneficial to your channel. For example, you could tell them to also hit the like button, or to check out more videos by clicking on the links on the video. And in the beginning, when you first create your YouTube channel and you don't have too many views or subscribers, what you can do is you can create a Facebook fan page and use your personal Facebook account to promote your Facebook fan page and also your YouTube channel. But it is difficult to use Facebook to promote your YouTube channel. And probably one of the best social media platforms to promote your YouTube channel is Instagram. I think it goes hand in hand with YouTube. However, in my opinion, it's best to use Instagram as more of a branding tool. So don't just use Instagram to promote your latest videos, but to also promote yourself and your brand. Another source of traffic that you can use is Reddit, which is also known as the first page of the internet, just because of the amount of traffic that this website gets, especially on the front page of this website. So if you are able to get your ads or links shown here on the first page of Reddit, you're going to get a large amount of traffic. Of course, it's easier said than done. Now, if you're not familiar with Reddit, it's a page where people post all types of things. It could be articles, of videos, images, it could be almost anything. And basically, the more upvotes you get, the higher your listing will show up on their site. So it's incredibly hard to show up on the first page of Reddit. So what I recommend you do is to focus on subreddits. And a subreddit is a section on Reddit which is focused on a certain type of topic. So basically you could focus on different niches here, and there are several, I don't know exactly how many, there are probably dozens or even hundreds of subreddits. So I'm on the home page here of Reddit, and you could just go to my subreddits if you're logged in. You could click on any of these links here. You could do a search. You could also go to more. So let's just click on that, and you could do a search for almost anything. Let's just say search for six-pack abs. Okay, so you could find subreddits that are focused on fitness. One thing that's worth noting is that people that use Reddit do not like marketers, and they do not like being sold to or being advertised to. So if they think that you are trying to advertise something, you will get called out for it. Okay, so don't make it obvious that you're advertising your videos or you're trying to sell something to the people on Reddit. Also, make sure to read their guidelines before you start using their site. And I believe each subreddit has their own set of guidelines as well. So before you start posting your links that promote your YouTube channel, I recommend that you post other content on there that adds value to the community and that's not really selling anything or even promoting your business, just so people know that you're there to add value and you're making good contributions to the community. And of course, it's also a great way for you to get familiar with the site and how things work. A great way to get more traffic and views on your videos is through collaboration with other YouTubers. You can collaborate with others who have similar sized amounts of subscribers and similar niches. And if you provide great content and you have a skill that you can leverage off of, bigger YouTubers might even want to collaborate with you. Okay, and you can also collaborate with other YouTubers to create a network of videos that drive traffic to each other. Because when you're watching videos on YouTube, YouTube has a list of suggested videos along the side of that video, and most of these videos are related to the video that you're watching. So you can collaborate with other YouTubers to create videos of similar topics that hopefully YouTube will put on along the side or where they put the suggested videos, so that you guys will help each other into driving traffic to each other's videos. Okay, or you could just help create videos together and promote each other's YouTube channels. Now, before contacting YouTubers, I recommend that you add some good quality comments first on their videos so that they'll notice you and know who you are. And who knows, they might even subscribe to you if they notice you and they like your comments and they like the videos that you're putting out there. Okay. Now, if you want to look for YouTubers to collaborate with, aside from just looking on YouTube, you could also go to a site called yttalk.com, and that's a forum for YouTubers. Now, if you have the time and you really want to hustle, then I suggest you go and comment on as many related videos as you can, because a certain percentage of the audience of those videos that you're commenting on will probably also click on your profile picture and check out your videos. And as I've said in another video too, when you comment on other YouTubers' videos, that YouTuber, the person that created those videos, might also notice you and even subscribe to your channel. And the more you comment, the more that these channel owners will notice you, and the more likely that they'll want to collaborate with you. Now, keep in mind, when you're trying to get traffic with your comments, people will more likely click on your profile picture if you have an eye-catching picture. Having a nice profile pic can make people want to go to your channel when they see your pic in the comment section. But word of advice though, to not blatantly just promote your channel in the comments section. The comment section is for people to share good information and just to have fun with each other. Okay, so try to make some good quality comments, and you never know which comments are going to get popular and get lots of views. Here are some more quick tips for you to drive more traffic to your channel to get more views on your videos. I can't stress the importance of thumbnails enough. An eye-catching thumbnail will grab attention and will result in more clicks. Okay, so if you want to create a thumbnail, what you do is you go to canva.com. This is a free tool, and when you register on there, create your free account, you'll be able to use all their templates. They have templates for e-covers, website banners, and social media banners, and they also have one for YouTube thumbnails. And what you could also do is, if you want to get some ideas, go look at thumbnails on YouTube that get your attention and try to model your thumbnail after those that get your attention. Now, creating good content is what ultimately will make your videos go viral. If you don't have good content yet, do not worry. Just keep making videos and be persistent, because eventually you'll get better at making good content. Even the top YouTubers who are making 6 or 7 figures a year, when they first started out, a lot of their content was not good as well. And make sure to optimize your home page, such as your channel trailer, your featured channels, and your featured videos. Another way to get traffic to your videos is just by emailing and texting your subscribers. So in your videos, in the description, try to put in a link to a squeeze page or to your website where you can collect their email addresses. Now, I'm not going to go into detail on how to create a squeeze page or a landing page because that's beyond this course and that's for another course. But you could also go on YouTube and learn how to create squeeze pages and landing pages, and those are basically where people would fill in their contact information in return for a gift such as a free ebook or a checklist or some tips or a newsletter. Okay, you can also put links to your other videos in your video description as a way of getting more traffic to your other videos. Okay, and let's not forget about physical promotion, word of mouth, and just using business cards when you go out. Okay, you could also have your own website or blog, create content on there, and drive traffic to your channel and your videos through your blog posts. You can also look for videos that have a lot of views and make videos on similar topics. And lastly, what you could do if you are in the travel niche and maybe even in the eating or the food niche is you could put pictures on Google Maps at different locations and put links in those pictures to your YouTube channel.